earth, I will cry unto thee. When my heart is overwhelmed, lead me to the rock. Anybody know with the rock this morning? Can I get a witness? Lead me to the rock that is higher than I. Lead me to the rock that is higher than I. Hallelujah. Come on, put those second hands together as we worship the Lord. Lord, attend unto my prayer from the end of the earth. Yeah. I cry out to thee when my heart is overwhelmed. Lead me to
Open